What's up, you guys? It's me. So today I will show you guys what you need for a tornado or any kind of bad storm that you need to have from like earthquakes, tornadoes, maybe some other stuff. But I'm actually going to show you what I need for a tornado, any tornado bad or any time bad. So I'm using my backpack from Stu because it's the end of the year for me, and I'm going to do middle Stu, yay. And so mostly you need for it I have, but let me just read my list. So you need tools, tape, candles, flashlight, water, snacks, first aid kit, sleeping bag, sports, something to watch the news with. Which is, I don't have all of this, which is what I do, but not right now. So I'm just going to show you guys what I do have. This basket, I'm going to start with my first aid kit. So this is the review for my first aid kit slash basket. If you have earrings, if like you're adorable, you have to use like an earring cleaner for like, you're not getting infected or to clean. Band-aids, for sure, if you hurt yourself and stuff. You need to have this. Band-aids of sorts, you need to have band-aids. Probably like not one, but this have a lot in it. See how much it have? It does have a lot. So that why we only have one. Also this, my brother, he had like hurt his head and something like that. You never know, so you need this as well. That's typically what I all have for my first aid kit. Another thing you will need is something to watch the news on, or you need to track the weather. So I have this phone that I usually do my videos on, but I'm using my mom's computer instead. Yes, yeah, obviously. And maybe some like entertainment, like puppets, like these. Another thing you will need is a light, which is I have this light, it's really tall, and it's summer, so why not? I also have this activity board. It's about weather because I love the weather and stuff. And I also have this book to read all about something about the weather. So yeah. I also have a snack drawer in my room. So I got like Pop-Tarts, Doritos, got these. So mostly everything I have. Another thing you will need, like water, snacks, anything that's cold like water or like snacks that come from the fridge and you really want it and you have nothing else. Use a chiller because that's the number one thing that you maybe can have and not. So yeah. Make sure you subscribe and thank you. Peace.